मैं हूं ना के सेट पर कोई मेमोरीज हैं शाहरुख खान के?
See, I think my most special memory of Mr. Khan will be that मुझे याद है कि when we were shooting for मैं हूं ना, I think in one of those breaks he was shooting for कल हो ना हो, and he specially called for me and my mom to come to Filmistan studio to meet him. And there was this room for him, and like there was a TV, and Anu Malik ji ka kuch to गाना वो देख रहे थे, and he literally took that 1 hour of his lunch break to tell me that he said, I have met a lot of newcomers, I've seen a lot of actors over the years. He said, you truly have the quality of a superstar. you know I won't say this for ABCD actors who are around, but I'll say it for you. You really have that quality. And he said something very nice. He said कि 200 फिल्में आएंगी मगर हमें सिर्फ 2 फिल्में करनी है. And I think that has been like my underlying choice criteria while choosing work. And okay, he also said this, that 200 फिल्में आएंगी, हमें 2 ही करनी है, मगर फिर वो एक फिल्म हो, वो ऐसी करो कि कोई नहीं पूछे कि अरे ये कौन सी फिल्म थी, ये कब रिलीज हुई. वो एक ऐसी फिल्म हो कि एवरीबडी नोज कि ये फिल्म आ रही है, एंड दे आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट फिल्म्स रिलीज टू वॉच इट. So yeah, that has been my criteria while signing my films, and I think that's why I've been so selective in this journey. Yeah.
Um, this phase that he had before Jawan with those 4 years of not seeing hits. What were you thinking as a fellow actor?
Ah, wow. Uh, I was really hoping that that one film comes where, because it's a very it's not a great place to be, right? When films are not working and the whole world is using that opportunity to say everything they wanted to leave you, that to have you leave that throne, which happens to the best of us. They just wait for that one opportunity. So I was really working. I was really hoping that that film works for him. And I think everybody was waiting कि ये film कहाँ जाएगी, उनकी किस्मत कहाँ जाएगी. Yeah. But I think he must be prepared for it. Yeah, he's Shah Rukh Khan. I'm sure. I think the destiny of one film or the box office, reactions to a film must be not affecting him. I think so. Yeah. I think he reads a lot. He's spiritually built himself a lot to be affected by
Why do you say that?
log kya kahenge. I think genuinely, whenever I watch his content, when I hear him speak, I feel that he is very well read and very spiritual, and I can see that spiritual growth in him, which he has consciously built. So I don't think he will be in a position where he'll be affected by Log Kya Kahenge or the Friday release, the fate of a Friday release. Yeah,
I think Main Hoon Na was shot in 2003.
4. Yeah, 3. Yeah,
Shot in
3.
3.
Yeah, shot in 3. Yeah.
Do you remember him from then? And was he different than the Shah Rukh Khan you see now?
Yeah, he was different. I mean, he was funny all the time. That sense of humor comes along with him. So, but I think he was little reserved, little reserved, little focused. Yeah, very much into the character. But what I loved about him was that whole thing of observing कि मेरे साथ newcomers है, and taking that energy from us. Like newcomers are always like that कि पहले टेक के पहले हम लोग एकदम इतने focused रहते हैं. So he observed us, he somewhere took that energy from us, and every single time, the first take was the best take. There were no second takes, because his whole temperament was second take देना ही नहीं है. You be so focused that पहला ही take इतना best करो कि second take की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. And that's what we learned from him, that after so many films, if he could have that one take, best take energy, isn't that so motivating? Yeah.
पता है, कुछ देर पहले आपने कहा था कि फेम की वजह से चीज़ें आपसे छीनी भी जाती हैं. I've often wondered that about Shah Rukh Khan, क्योंकि उनकी लाइफ मुझे perfect लगती है. And I'm sure we'll never know also, what has been taken away. Because he's very...
I think the world knows it now. Matlab, his father, parents. He lost his parents at a very young age. That's such a big pillar of your life being taken away. Then he always mentions about his sister, who's, I think is going through a lot of personal issues. So that sadness is always there, right? And no fame can fill that. that void. Oh
Ooh,
my
I can't
God.
even imagine कि इनकी energy कैसी रहती है. Because ये एक room में enter हो रहे थे, and you can feel an aura that's 20 feet tall and 20 feet wide. Maybe it's created by all the people staring at him because he's Shah Rukh Khan. Maybe it's created because of something inside him. But I can't imagine what it's like working with him. I met him when I was a kid once, when I was in the 6th standard. It's probably at this time. And because he knew he's talking to a kid, I was the only kid confident enough to talk to him. I remember this.
How sweet.
He was still so humble with me. He was talking to me as if he's a 6-year-old. That's what they say about Shah Rukh Khan. But what was this like?
This, na? So, you know, by the grace of God, I don't know what focus that was, but I was shooting for Ishq Vishk. And then towards the last scare of Ishq Vishk, I was signed for मैं हूं ना. तो मेरा फोकस यही था कि पायल से बिल्कुल अलग कुछ करना है. You know, that tomboy with that dreadlocks in her hair and all. So, not once, by the grace of God, I was overwhelmed by शाहरुख खान के साथ सीन करना है and उसके बाद, you know, like, how do I match up and all of that. That, see, focus, the right focus is so important. So, I always saw him as Major Ram and I always saw myself as Sanjana throughout. So, I was there. And you know what Farah always compliments? She says कि सारे आर्टिस्ट का सुर कहीं ना कहीं डगमगा जाता था, बट अमृता के डायलॉग का जो सुर था वो कभी गलत नहीं था. इट वॉज ऑलवेज बैंग ऑन. एंड दिस पर्टिकुलर फोटोग्राफ, इट रिमाइंड्स मी दैट जब हमने ये किया था ना, ये कहने की हो दिल में कोई बात, ये होने के बाद, ये शॉट होने के बाद सर बैठे, शाहरुख खान बैठे और उन्होंने वो ये देखा. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही सॉ इन दिस. ही सॉ दिस, मतलब एटलीस्ट 15 बार उन्होंने रिप्ले किया होगा और देखा. और मैं पीछे खड़ी थी कहीं पे. ही डिडंट नो दैट आई वाज वाचिंग. आई वाज लाइक एट अ डिस्टेंस. आई कुड सी एंड आई एम थिंकिंग what is going through his mind that he's watching? What is he trying to get from this shot that he's watching it again and again? उन्होंने बहुत बार देखा है, again and again and again and again.
शायद आपका screen presence.
पता नहीं क्या था. It was just he kept watching it. And there was this one shot also I remember, वो जो sad song होता है ना, Farah na 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 na, that one, like the sad version
of this.
किसका है ये
Okay,
तुमको
okay, okay,
इंतजार. And
अगर
I'm in that
तुम
wearing that pink sweater and
Yeah.
Major Ram comes and I burst into tears and all that sequence. So Farah was telling me, you know, before the shot, baby you'll cry na, baby you'll cry na. I'm like, I'm prepping. I'm like, yeah, मैं करूँगी. I'm prepping. And वो shot में मैं जो रोई हूँ रणवीर, उसके बाद वो shot cut हुआ. I couldn't stop howling. I kept crying. And then after that, I remember Mr. Khan went and he sat somewhere in the corner and they were वो कुछ और set up कर रहे थे. I actually walked up to Mr. Khan and I said, sir, you know, it was you and the energy that you gave me that I could perform like this. And he said, no, you're very good. You're very good. You're very good. So, yeah, special memories, man. मैं हूँ ना.
चले जैसे हवाएं सनन सनन. Okay.